This Clarke Panther 925 air compressor offers a great combination of performance, safety, and value for money. This great value compressor is suitable for DIY and light trade applications. The 925 is perfect for paint spraying, tire inflation, blow cleaning, stapling, nailing, and more. It features tank and output pressure gauges, an output air pressure regulator, twin outlets, and automatic stop-start control, all to ensure that the air output can be controlled to meet your air tools needs. The 925's automatic stop-start control offers the user greater control for the job in hand and ensures that the motor only runs when it has to. This saves energy, prolongs the lifespan of the motor, and saves you money. The CE-certified 2.5 horsepower 1800 watt motor drives a 9.3 cubic foot per minute compressor to a maximum pressure of 8 bar. The 24-litre air receiver is protected by a fully automatic pressure switch. The Panther 925 comes complete with wheels, a handle, air filter, regulator, twin gauges, and a safety valve. The Clarke Panther 925 air compressor is an ideal compressor for DIY, hobby, and light trade users.